We are Jera Line, a factory that do the infrastructure products for power cable deployment. The insulation piercing connector consists of shear head aluminium torque nut, tin-covered aluminum teeth, UV-resistant polymer body, stainless steel bolt, washer, polymer end cup. Key installation steps. Insert the cable in the connector as shown. Put on the cable end cap. Gradually tighten the nut, until it will shear off. An accurate torque zone guarantees the proper electrical contact of different cable sizes. The cable may be with 1 or 2 layers of outer sheath. The connector conforms to IP67 testing requirement. Our mass production facility allows reaching the required delivery time. Production automation guarantees the fair price. Wide range of tests provide stable quality in production operations. Welcome to contact us to have more details about insulation piercing cable connector.